Warmest greetings to all our listeners. Welcome back to the Healthy and Beautiful Family Channel. Today we're diving into a critical topic that could transform how you start your day. We'll discuss 5 things you absolutely should not do right after waking up, as they can directly impact your health and even lead to unexpected dangers like sudden cardiac events. Sounds scary, right? So, what are these things? Let's find out together. Dear friends, the morning is a golden time for your body to recharge and kick off the day feeling refreshed. However, doing the wrong things right after waking up can unintentionally harm your health. Here are the 5 things you should avoid doing immediately after waking up. 1. Don't jump out of bed too quickly. Bolting upright right after waking is a common habit, especially for those with busy schedules. However, this is not good for your health and can pose serious risks. When we sleep, our body enters a rest state, blood pressure, heart rate, and circulation drop to conserve energy. Suddenly shifting from lying down to sitting or standing can overstimulate the sympathetic nervous system, which may not adjust blood pressure and blood flow quickly enough. This can lead to symptoms like dizziness, lightheadedness, or even fainting due to insufficient blood flow to the brain, known as orthostatic hypotension. This is particularly dangerous for older adults or those with underlying conditions like low blood pressure, heart disease, or balance issues, as it can lead to falls, head injuries, or broken bones. For those with a history of heart conditions or arrhythmias, this sudden movement can strain the heart, increasing the risk of a heart attack or, in rare cases, sudden cardiac arrest. Why is this risky in the morning? Lowered blood pressure. During sleep, at night, your body naturally lowers blood pressure and heart rate to rest organs and the nervous system. A sudden posture change doesn't give your body time to adapt, potentially causing a drop in blood pressure. Circulation needs time. After a long night, blood tends to pool in the lower body. It takes a few seconds to minutes for blood to properly circulate back to the brain. Moving too fast can leave the brain short on oxygen, causing dizziness. Age and health conditions. Older adults or those with low blood pressure or autonomic nervous system issues may struggle to regulate blood pressure quickly, making this habit riskier. Potential consequences. Fainting common in those with weaker health. Fainting can lead to falls, injuries, or even concussions. Increased stroke risk. In older adults with less elastic blood vessels, sudden posture changes can spike blood pressure, potentially causing a vessel to rupture. Headaches or nausea. Sudden stimulation of the nervous system can cause lingering headaches or nausea in the first few minutes after waking. Expert advice. Dr. John Nguyen, a cardiologist, recommends staying in bed for 1 to 2 minutes after waking. Try simple stretches like extending your arms and legs or rotating your wrists and ankles. Then roll to one side, use your arms to prop yourself up, and sit up slowly. This gives your circulation time to stabilize. Breathing exercise. Before sitting up, try deep breathing. Inhale through your nose, hold for 2-3 seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat 3 to 5 times to boost oxygen flow and wake up your brain. Set your alarm earlier. If your morning is rushed, wake up a few minutes earlier to give your body time to adjust. A slow start isn't just healthier, it sets a calmer tone for the day. Jumping out of bed may seem harmless, but it carries hidden risks. Start your day gently and treat your body with care from the very first moments. 2. Don't drink coffee or tea immediately. For many a morning, coffee or tea is a ritual to boost alertness and energy. However, drinking these right after waking up on an empty stomach not only diminishes their benefits, but can also harm your health. Dangers of coffee or tea on an empty stomach. Stomach irritation. Caffeine and tannins in coffee or tea stimulate the stomach to produce hydrochloric acid, disrupting its acid balance. This can lead to gastritis, ulcers, or pain, especially for those with a history of stomach issues or acid reflux. Symptoms include nausea, heartburn, or a burning sensation in the chest. Increased heart rate and arrhythmias. Caffeine stimulates the sympathetic nervous system, raising heart rate and potentially causing palpitations or anxiety. Drinking it before your body is ready can lead to fatigue or stress instead of alertness. Reduced nutrient absorption. Tannins in tea can inhibit iron and nutrient absorption when consumed on an empty stomach, increasing the risk of anemia over time, especially for women and children. Blood sugar spikes. Drinking coffee before eating can elevate cortisol, the stress hormone disrupting blood sugar levels and causing restlessness or irritability. Common misconceptions. Coffee instantly wakes you up. The alertness from caffeine is temporary. Drinking it right after waking may lead to a crash later as your body is overstimulated. Morning green tea is best. While green tea is rich in antioxidants, its tannins can cause nausea or digestive upset when consumed on an empty stomach. Best times to drink coffee or tea. After breakfast, wait 30-60 minutes after eating breakfast. Food creates a protective lining in your stomach, reducing irritation from acids or tannins. This is also when your body's metabolism is active, optimizing caffeine absorption. Mid-morning, 9 to 11 a.m. Studies show cortisol levels naturally drop mid-morning, making it an ideal time for coffee or tea to boost alertness without disrupting your body's rhythm. Expert advice. Dr. Mary Tran, a nutritionist, suggests starting your morning with a glass of warm water or water with lemon and honey. This kickstarts digestion and hydrates the body after a long night, something coffee or tea can't do. Dr. Lisa Lee, an endocrinologist, advises ensuring your stomach is lined with a nutritious breakfast before consuming coffee or tea. Avoid overly strong black coffee or concentrated tea as they strain the heart and digestion. Tips for coffee or tea. Avoid overly strong coffee or excessive sugar as these harm the stomach and reduce antioxidant benefits. Opt for herbal teas like ginger chamomile or peppermint, which are gentler on the stomach and promote relaxation. Don't drink coffee or tea close to bedtime as it can disrupt sleep and prevent your body from resting properly. Healthier alternatives. For a refreshing, healthy start, try warm water with honey and ginger. It's a perfect combo to wake up your digestion without irritation. A light breakfast with whole grain toast fruit and yogurt provides sustained energy without relying on caffeine. Drinking coffee or tea isn't wrong, but timing matters. Start with warm water, eat breakfast, then enjoy your drink when your body's ready. Small habits like these protect your health. 3. Don't skip breakfast. There's a saying, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Yet many skip it due to busy schedules or the misconception that it aids weight loss. In reality, skipping breakfast can lead to serious issues like low energy, poor focus, and increased risks of heart disease, diabetes, and obesity due to metabolic disruptions. Expert advice. Dr. Sarah Lee, an endocrinologist, emphasizes that breakfast provides the body's first energy boost after a long night. Opt for foods rich in protein, fiber, and vitamins like eggs, whole grain bread, yogurt, or fruit. Avoid greasy or overly sugary foods in the morning as they can cause fatigue instead of energy. 4. Don't bend over too long. Many people bend down to pick up items, tie shoes, or do chores right after waking. However, sudden or prolonged bending can disrupt blood flow, causing dizziness or loss of balance. For older adults, this increases the risk of falls or back pain. Expert advice. Dr. David Huang, an orthopedic specialist, recommends warming up with light stretches, rotating wrists and ankles, or doing gentle shoulder rolls before bending or twisting. If you feel dizzy while bending, stop immediately and rest in a well-ventilated area. 5. Don't check your phone right away. Grabbing your phone first thing in the morning is a common habit, but it's harmful to both mental and physical health. Exposure to blue light from screens can strain your eyes, increase stress, and negatively affect your mood for the day. It also robs you of a calm morning routine. Expert advice. Dr. Paul Pham, a psychologist, suggests spending a few minutes meditating, deep breathing, or doing light exercise to wake up your body and mind. Keep your phone out of reach while sleeping and dedicate the first 20-30 minutes of your morning to yourself before checking messages or emails. Dear friends, the first moments of your morning have a huge impact on your health and mood. Start your day gently and mindfully to protect your body and spirit. Thank you for tuning in to today's Healthy and Beautiful Family podcast. If you found this helpful, please share it with friends and family. Wishing you all a healthy, vibrant day.